Hi friends, it's Nirmal back again with a new video. Hope you guys are having a beautiful weekend, and today we'll be looking at a succulent called as Agave filifera or thread leaf agave. Hope you enjoy the video. Friends, this week also is very special for me because our channel crossed 2000 subscribers. I know I just announced the 1000 subscriber thing last week. I'm very fortunate to get this kind of growth in just a week. I'm so happy for this. Friends, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and also press the bell notification button, which is very important, so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So we'll get into the video now. So friends, today our video is based on a Mexican native agave species called as filifera. So let's take a look. So friends, generally agaves don't have much requirements. It's very easy to care for them. Water wise, do not water them a lot. I only water them once a week. But whenever you water them, make sure you water them thoroughly, thereby totally saturating the entire medium. So wait till the water comes down the drainage hole of the pot and make sure the whole pot is watered. In the summer months, you can water them twice a week, but during winter as well as monsoon season, restrict watering to once a week or less. They are very durable that way. Whenever you spray your plant, the thread-like structures get hydrated and they exhibit movement, which is really cool. So agaves are very slow growing, but once they grow and mature, they flower, and if they flower, they completely start degrading. They only flower once. You do get a lot of pups, but your beautiful plant will be gone, so I would not urge you to fertilize. Whenever you get a chance to repot your plant, you make sure that the soil medium is well enriched with organic compounds like compost, etc. One major factor while growing agave is to always grow them in very high light, or you can get etiolation as well as they could turn towards you. See, this one is turning towards me. This is because the light is coming from this direction. So always keep them central. What I mean by that is always grow your agaves where they can get direct light during the day till evening. Otherwise, towards the direction of the light, the crown of the plant might tilt, and that won't be so beautiful for your plant. To ensure that your plant grows uniformly in all directions, I would suggest you to give a quarter turn or rotate your pot occasionally. One main care tip I want to tell you is hose them down heavily whenever you water, so that you can brush off or you can just wash off all the accumulated dust and cobwebs and stuff like that, keeping your plant overall clean. Unlike normal houseplants, you cannot clean your agave's foliage using a brush or a cloth, so watering them down or hosing them down is your best option. One major factor growing them is always keep them away from children and pets, because they are damn sharp. The pointed ends are very needle-like. Just to clarify, the thread-like curved structures are not harmful at all. They are very soft to the touch, but the tip of the leaves are very sharp. So if you have pets or children running around, it's always advised to keep the plant in an inaccessible area of your garden where they might not accidentally bump into the plant. Friends, don't forget to check out my Instagram page, which I have given a link in the description. I do post updates regarding the videos I do here, so show your love there as well. Basically, I think I covered whatever I intended to say through the video. If you have any more doubts regarding this plant, surely comment down below. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was about this beautiful agave that I grow. So hope you all are gonna try it out as well. It's such a worthy plant to have in the collection. Until next time, Nirmal signing off.